Hey guys, welcome to another episode of cooking, South Asian and wine pairing. While my ghost is cooking in the kitchen, I am going to talk about some wine. So welcome back. Today we are doing methi. Today we are doing Malai chicken, which is a grilled chicken, but you can bake it as well. But if you have a grilling station, I would recommend you to use a grilling station. So this is one of the most mildest dishes in the South Asian cuisine. Has a lot of cream, lot of fat, lot of very subtle in spices. So there's nutmeg, there's some cilantro going in there for herbs. So when it comes to spices, very subtly spiced. You could do boneless, you could do it with bone, but on this I'm using only drums, chicken drums. So a nice wine to pair this, you could do Cabernet Sauvignon, you could do Carmenere, you could do any wines with a very high tannin structure to it. When it comes to red wines, because there's a lot of cream, so it cuts through the creaminess and it adds an added flavor profile to the dish. But you can even do whites, and when you're doing white wines, you want to look into a high acid wine. So think of grape varietals like Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand, or cold climate, specifically very cold climate wines. So Italian from the Tres Venezia region are very nice. Look towards those flavor profiles, but the main thing is you can use something with high acid, because you could squeeze some lemon onto the dish, or use your wine which has a lemony note to add that high acid profile to the dish. So cheers, enjoy. I'm gonna go back and help finish up the dish. Check out the video, check out the recipe, make it, post it on Instagram, tag us at the Brown Shoe Som. On this video, please follow, like and share if you get a chance. The link and the recipes down below, and more wine pairings and food pairing options will be in the description box. If you have any questions, please email us at thebrownShoeSom@gmail.com.